Museum Pintong Gubat. And nakikita niya na marami ng mga wire fences, yung mga bahay na dadaanan papuntang GMA. Matagal nang nakatayo ang mga bahay sa lugar na yun. Pero parang may mga fears ng mga residents doon of displacement or other possible parang mga interruptions in their daily life providing kuryente, tubig, and being forcibly displaced because of this development. So, siguro just a bit of context of what is Villar City. I did some research, and this is supposed to be a 3,500 hectare mega city connecting 11 towns and cities in Mega Manila. It's supposed to have a golf course, ultra-luxury residential development, and it also talks about like a green first approach, city in the forest. So parang it's supposed to be like a very green, parang redefined kind of urban development. So, but I guess some Cavite residents are concerned about the possible impacts of this development. Is there a way that we can protect the rights of people in the area, given the mega development that is also, of course, like a business initiative by the Villar family?
Mayor Solito, but it's private business in the village.
Yeah, so I guess for this we have to look at local legislation. We have to talk with the mayors and see what their plan is regarding these areas. And we'll strengthen all of the ordinances and resolutions they have in Sangguniang Pananaligan once we get